For the transaction of the business between Iran and Pakistan, according to data, last year was $1.7 billion and now increased to $2.3 billion. And we hope in the future, in the current atmosphere, the very very friendly atmosphere between two governments, we increase this transaction more and more. This year we found a chance this opportunity to join Pakistan Auto Show and Auto Parts exhibition and in Expo Center, and we are very glad to be here. And automotive industry is the strategic industry in Iran, and we have a very strong supply chain for the auto parts. And now we are in Pakistan for first time, and to understand better the market in the Pakistan and automotive market in Pakistan, the Pakistan people they found they are very interesting on, and also more than our expectation, they interest on the Irani product, and they consider that one as a qualified product.
The industry in Iran for automotive part is very big, because we have 1,600 factory in Iran. They work as a produce part for every vehicle, passenger vehicle and every vehicle, and we can export so many parts to Pakistan. Transport is cheaper than transport from China, and we can do better than China to Pakistani people.